Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make roll kai roti. You'll need whole wheat flour, water, and a little salt. The quality of your flour truly makes a difference, so choose wisely. Accurate measurements are key to achieving that perfect, pliable dough every single time. Let's get started on mixing our ingredients for the best roti. Now let's get our hands into the dough. Mix the flour and salt, then slowly incorporate water until a rough dough forms. Knead it vigorously for about 8 to 10 minutes. This develops the gluten, making your roti soft. After kneading, cover the dough with a damp cloth and let it rest for 20 minutes. This resting period is crucial for a pliable dough.
Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. And on another note, life's too short for a stinky car, right? Grab yourself a Little Trees Black Ice Air Freshener. It's a game changer. You can find the link and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
With our dough rested, it's time to roll. Divide the dough into small, uniform balls. Lightly dust your rolling surface and the dough ball with a little dry flour to prevent sticking. Then, using gentle, even pressure, roll each ball into a thin, round disc, aiming for about 6 inches across. Consistency and thickness is important for even cooking. Now for the exciting part, cooking. Heat your tawa or griddle over medium-high heat until it's nice and hot. Place a rolled roti onto the tawa and cook for about 30 seconds until small bubbles appear. Flip it over and cook the second side for approximately 1 minute. Finally, briefly place it directly over the flame to puff up beautifully.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.